In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the no sound issue on Roblox. If this video does help you out, consider subscribing and liking the video. No sound can be very frustrating, especially when you can't hear music or in-game effects. Let's go through a few steps to fix it. Begin by pausing the game by pressing escape and then clicking the settings tab up at the very top. Scroll down and look for the output device selection and make sure it is the correct device like your headphones or speakers. You could also try raising the volume if it's too low or muted. If this issue is still continuing, go ahead and open up your computer settings by typing in settings in the search bar just like so. And what you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and select the sound setting in system. So go ahead and click system and then sound just like so. And make sure your system volume is turned up. That's going to be this slider right here. If it is turned up and you still can't hear, scroll down until you find the volume mixer just like so and go ahead and click on it. And find Roblox in this list and just ensure that it's not muted. It might look like that if it is muted. Just go ahead and click on that to fix it or just turn that volume up. After doing all of that, your sound should be working again. If this video did help you out, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Have a great day.